Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Not only am I not a morning person, but I also hate looking at dark circles and bags and lines under my eyes first thing in the morning. That's why I love using these 24 karat gold under eye patches from DERMORA. First thing in the morning, I wake up, wash my face, pull them out of the fridge, and then put them right underneath my eyes. It feels so cool and soothing and gives me some instant refreshment right away. It helps to tighten the areas under my eyes so I just don't look as tired and worn out throughout the day. I am pretty active in the morning. I like to get my tea, maybe do a little work, check my emails, clean up around the house. So I love that I can tap these on and they stay in place. I can even wear my glasses over them and I don't have to worry about them falling off. I was really pleased that they have a very, very light scent to them because some smells really bother me, but this one is so light I can wear them on my face for the 20 minutes and I'm not bothered at all. Open the package with the label facing down and then slowly pull the tray out so that they don't slide off. Once I've worn them for my 20 minutes, I just tap in the remaining serum or solution. Not only do I wear them, but my husband does as well. He loves how it helps to reduce the bags under his eyes. I did wear them every day for a couple of weeks, and then now I'm down to just every other day or so, depending on how I look when I wake up in the morning. I really feel like these under eye patches from DERMORA give me the confidence that I need to look my best and face the day. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.